Okay, so climate change. What is it? Why has it happened? And what are its effects? So, two ideas about why it's happened. On the one side, there's this understanding that we have that it's a human effect. People have made it happen. We've accelerated the process at least through the increase of carbon emissions and the increase of areas of transport and all the sorts of things that we do. Basically, all the different types of ways that we've affected the planet. On the other side, it could be argued this is just a natural process. This is just something that we have to deal with. Climate change has happened for years. There was an ice age. It wasn't because of the dinosaurs driving cars. It's just that, climate change just happens. It's a natural thing. There's little you can do about that. Um, so that's the other perspective on the matter. Effects of it. So on the planet, as we've mentioned, I keep saying these ice caps, not ice cubes, ice caps keep melting, leading to a rise in the water level. These rising sea levels and flooding, and this affects human life because lower economically developed countries, especially, they get very badly affected because they've got bad infrastructure, so their buildings fall down. They're particularly affected by natural disasters, but this goes on to other places as well. Crops will yield, crops will fall down, people will become sick because the days will become hotter, the environment will get messed up. It's like snowing in July, and people aren't ready for it and can't handle it, and it's suddenly extremely cold, and people are dying out there. So that all those kinds of things are examples. The poorest countries get hit the worst. The poorest countries get hit the worst because they don't have the infrastructure and they don't have the help to conserve their life. So you're quite lucky if you're in England, but whilst we sit back in England, actually the effects of climate change are thoroughly affecting the lives of people in Bangladesh and particularly sub-Saharan Africa, and areas of South America are already being affected.